Hello, trading is closed on July 16th, 2018. My last call laid out a possible scenario where we would move up, hit this target, but not overtake these highs, reverse quickly, hit this target. And I said if that happened, it should lead to lower prices, or at the very least, a consolidation and an end of the uptrend. Well, that's what happened. I wish I had a call of similar accuracy for tomorrow, but I don't because the signals are mixed. Let's go over the MEJT signals first. Here was this whipsaw. It said this drop, this rally, and this drop all would retrace. Here it gave the sell signal, and that's played out. Nothing for tomorrow there. Well, normally when you start out high and go low and can't take out any of these lower lows, any of these lows, it's a sign that the lows won't stick and you go up. And it's particularly promising when tomorrow's a pattern with the early high, late high, and the vast majority of the time rallies into the close. Doesn't mean it won't gap down first. So that's all positive. What isn't positive is that this little drop closed under this high and this high. So not only are the lows failing to hold, the highs are failing to hold. And because this was a time and a price, which was one of my possible targets for the end of this leg, the inability to hold on to these highs, to me, holds more significance than it would in other conditions. Well, the rule book says most likely thing is we gap and promptly trade outside the day's range. Next most likely close little change. Have the big move on Wednesday. Mixed signals for tomorrow. I think the early trade's going to tell us what's going to happen. Pattern that usually rallies when it drops in a straight line. That's today's call.